Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and behind me we have a 992 Turbo S that we just got done doing a host of bolt-ons and upgraded turbos to. So let's get this down, let's get it on the road and see how it goes. Okay, so we're in a pretty special 992 Turbo S. This has our Stage 4 power kit, which includes pure 1000 turbos and pretty much full bolt-ons. This car is running a CSF intercooler, DO88 inlets and hoses, BMC air filters. It also has a Soul competition link pipes with an Akrapovic exhaust, and is tuned by M Engineering, so we have custom tuning on it, and also the PDK tune. Now, a lot of turbo owners either come from other supercars or have other supercars, many of our clients do, and the one thing that always sticks out to me is they all seem to really want to drive this car, the 992. It's the car, if they have a few cars they always go back to and want to drive, or if they've come from another car like a Ferrari or McLaren, typically they always praise how much they enjoy driving this car. And obviously, being a Porsche enthusiast, you probably understand some of the reasons why. But what makes the 992 so special is its ability to really just do everything so well. And so here we are in normal mode. You would not know this car is modified. If you're a valet moving this thing around or somebody driving your friend's car or something, it feels stock. The compliance is amazing. It's comfortable. You could daily drive this car. There's no indications this car is running 900 horsepower. The exhaust is quiet with the valves closed, but that's not the most fun thing. So why don't we just drop it down to sport mode? You can hear that exhaust open up quite a bit. And let's see what this thing has. Come around this corner here. Oh, yes. Holy cow. What a different animal. Man, the power level is pretty addictive. This car just pulls and pulls and pulls and pulls. It's a freight train up high. It pulls so well towards redline. It'd be hard to find other cars that are just this capable and good. Man. Oof. Exhaust sounds fantastic. Let's calm down here just a little bit, throw it back into normal mode, and holy cow, like the difference it makes between being an absolutely amazing fast supercar level of performance and the ability to go back into a normal mode like this and feel like you're in a completely stock car is truly unique. And I think we had a video a while back that we asked if it was a Stage 4 Plus, so it did have methanol, basically the same setup, but with methanol. We asked the question if it was the best car in the world, and I thought it was just because of what it does. I mean, it gives you so much capability and overall pleasantry in driving, driver feel, amazing brakes, amazing chassis. And when you have 900 horsepower, this thing made like 755 at the wheels on our dyno, which is roughly just about 900 horsepower. You're well over 200 horsepower over stock, but you still preserve all of that OEM compliance and composure with the car, but you have this overbuilt car from Porsche with amazing brakes, with the ability to feel very safe and in control of the car. If you're somebody who tracks their Porsche, you probably invested in, obviously a helmet, possibly harnesses, race seats, that kind of thing. And the reason you do that is to, enjoy going fast and feeling safe doing that. And this car really provides that level. There's no real sketch factor. It has an amazing amount of mechanical grip with the tires, with the all-wheel drive system. But it just does things so well. And it's, when you think about it, is this a supercar? I think it's kind of, who cares? Like, supercar, this car will make you feel like a superhero. Every time I drive a car like this, it almost feels like you have a superpower, like you're Superman, or better yet, maybe in this car, you're Bruce Wayne. You can kind of pull up to dinner like a gentleman, and nobody really understands what you have inside. Nobody knows you're, you know, Batman in that example or analogy. And that's one of the really special characteristics of this car. Aside from the performance, the insane amount of acceleration from a dig, it's just an amazing performing vehicle across the spectrum of driving conditions. Inclement weather, daily driving, running errands, can do it all at a incredibly high level. But then when you actually want to, you know, have fun with the car, you know, feel superpowers, you can. You just put your foot into the gas. Even in normal mode, it still feels very special. And just for scientific purposes, let's just go ahead and test this car in launch mode, because it's pretty special how these cars get out of the hole and what they're capable of. So I think we have everything set. Let's give it a try. Okay. Wow. It's so violent yet so controllable. It's just incredible. So if you have a 992 Turbo or Turbo S, this car has so much potential, no matter if you just want to start with simple software or if you want to go further up to a Stage 4, Stage 4 Plus. I think a Stage 2 is a really nice bang for the buck. You can open up the exhaust, you can use some tuning to get a lot of power, and you know, it's a great place to be. But I think if you're a Turbo owner or Turbo S owner, you've obviously seeked out the best. You know, some of the best of what Porsche offers, the best of what the automotive industry offers. So if you're one of those people that just want the best, I think the Stage 4 or 4 Plus is such an incredible place to be. Let me turn the exhaust back off, go back to normal mode. It's still, even to this day, as many of these things that we drive, and as much as I like a variety of Porsches, it's just the one car I think that, you know, simply is the best. It gives you just everything. So if you're somebody who wants that, zero compromise, definitely check us out at flat6.com. We have some other videos highlighting the capability of the 992 Turbo S. If you have a Carrera, there's a ton of potential there as well. Such a good platform and gift that Porsche gave us. So we hope you enjoyed this one. Definitely check us out, subscribe if you haven't. We'll have more content coming. Thanks, we'll see you in the next one.